Google Chatbot has become a valuable tool for businesses and individuals alike. With its advanced features and capabilities, mastering this powerful tool can greatly enhance your communication and productivity. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of using Google Chatbot effectively. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up Google Chatbot. To begin, navigate to the Google Chatbot website and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, you can create a new chatbot by clicking on the Create New Bot button. Provide a name and description for your bot, and select the desired settings. Step 2. Training your Google Chatbot. Now that your bot is created, it's time to train it. Using natural language processing technology, Google Chatbot can understand and respond to user inputs. You can train your bot by feeding it with a variety of sample conversations and responses. The more data you provide, the more accurate and helpful your bot will become. Step 3. Customizing your Google Chatbot. Google Chatbot allows you to customize the appearance and behavior of your bot to match your preferences and branding. You can choose a unique profile picture, colors, and even add your own customized commands. This customization will make your bot more engaging and familiar to users. Step 4. Integrating Google Chatbot with your platforms. To maximize the efficiency of your bot, it's important to integrate it with your existing systems and platforms. Google Chatbot offers seamless integration with various applications, such as Google Drive, Gmail, and Calendar. This integration enables your bot to provide real-time updates and streamline your workflow. Step 5. Utilizing advanced features. Google Chatbot offers a range of advanced features that can take your bot to the next level. You can use interactive cards to display rich content, create automated workflows using Chatbot's API, and even build chatbots for specific use cases with Dialogflow. These features empower you to create sophisticated and highly functional bots. By following these steps, you can become a master in utilizing Google Chatbot for your business or personal needs. Start implementing these strategies today and take your communication to new heights. Thanks for watching this guide. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.